You all must have pretty basically seen lasagna with lasagna sheets and made in oven. But today I am gonna make bread lasagna without oven, which is gonna be as simple and as tasty as the original veg lasagna which we get. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Firstly, we'll be making the red sauce. For that, in a deep vessel, you need to add oil, and in that, you need to add jeera. Once the jeera starts crackling, you need to add garlic and onions and saute it. Next, once the onions are cooked a little, add in chopped capsicum and bell peppers. You can add vegetables of your choice also. Saute them a little and then cook them covered. Now, next, once the vegetables are cooked, add in the tomato puree. I've made a puree of raw tomatoes, just blended them and cover and cook until the tomato puree is thick enough. Once the tomato puree is thick enough, you need to add red chili powder, coriander powder, red chili sauce, or you can use tomato ketchup also, and then mix everything together very nicely. Cover and cook until the whole mix is thick enough like this, and then add in salt, and your red sauce for the lasagna is ready. Now for the white basic bechamel sauce, you need to melt 2 tablespoons of butter and add in 2 tablespoons of maida. Whisk everything well until the raw smell of the maida goes away. Once the raw smell of the maida goes away, you need to add in half cup of milk and whisk to avoid any lumps. Once it starts to thicken, you need to add salt as per taste and then 1 grated cheese and then whisk everything together. Now, as you whisk everything, your cheese sauce will start getting thick and then you need to add in water to avoid lumps, and your white cheese sauce is ready. Instead of lasagna sheets, I'm using a normal white bread. You need to take a bread slice and then with a rolling pin, you need to flatten the bread slice. And now you need to layer the lasagna. For that, you need to take a cake tin, grease it with oil and spread some red sauce we've prepared, and then you need to lay the bread slices that we have flattened it out. I have flattened all the bread slices. Then you can also discard the edges of the bread slices, layer it nicely, and then you need to spread the white sauce evenly. Make sure that you spread the white sauce evenly because then it will give it a cheesy texture to the lasagna. Now spread the red sauce we've made, and you can also interchange the layers by adding the red sauce first and the white sauce next. Once your red sauce is done spreading, you need to add in a layer of grated cheese. Repeat the same layers again, and then once you're done, you need to top it with some really good amount of cheese. As the title says, this is a no oven lasagna. Now you need to take a big vessel and add in some salt and place a stand and let it preheat on a medium flame for 15 seconds. Once it's preheated, now you need to place the cake tin in the vessel and then you need to cover it and cook for about 20 minutes. Once the cheese melts, you need to take it out and cut and serve immediately when it's hot. Lasagna serves better when it's hot. I hope you all like this video, and I shall be back soon with another video. Very interesting food. Until then, bye.